Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Clevcalc app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Clevcalc is a versatile calculator app developed by Clevcalc Incorporated, offering users a wide range of calculation tools all in one place. The app includes features like a basic calculator, unit converter, currency converter, tip calculator, loan calculator, and more. It supports multiple categories such as health, finance, and everyday calculations, making it useful for both personal and professional needs. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is praised for its clean and intuitive interface, easy navigation, and comprehensive set of calculation tools. Users appreciate that it covers a broad spectrum of needs without requiring multiple apps. It also supports offline use and provides accurate results quickly. Many find the app helpful for quick conversions and financial planning on the go. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While many features are free, some advanced functions and ad removal require a paid upgrade, which might not suit every budget. A few users have reported occasional glitches or crashes, and the ad placement can be intrusive at times. Also, the app's extensive options might feel overwhelming for those seeking a simple calculator only. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Clevcalc app may be worth using if you want an all-in-one calculator tool that's convenient, versatile, and user-friendly. It shines in its broad feature set and offline availability. However, if you prefer a minimalist calculator without ads or extra features, it might not be the perfect fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.